5 seconds. In the job market, the word soft skill has been popular. Whatever may be the qualification a person has, he requires soft skills to get a job. In fact, in all professional colleges, soft skills are being taught. Person may be very good in his subject, but if he does not have soft skills, he cannot get jobs. This is because of the fact that now for jobs, the unemployed have to go far off places where soft skills are necessary. Usually, people think that soft skill means command over several languages, particularly English and speaking skills in English. In fact, soft skills include many other skills like group discussion, public speaking, report writing, communication, and use of modern machines like computers with internet, mobiles, fax machines, scanners, etc. Of all the soft skills, written and oral communications are very important. Everybody talks, but very few can communicate. Communication means what should be said, how much should be, and how to be said within as little a time as possible. In the present day, all organizations who give jobs are in private sector. These organizations are very particular about use of resources because they calculate cost of every resource to the last rupee. In these organizations, if a person wants to get a job, he should be able to work every minute of the working hours and even more because every minute is priced. If a worker wastes 5 minutes time, the modern organizations will calculate his salary for 5 minutes and cut it from his salary. This kind of efficiency is necessary for organizations because of a very high competition. So, communication is necessary as this ability helps in using paid time very carefully and in avoiding waste. Nowadays, many organizations are computer organizations. In these organizations, work is done as a team. So, there are always discussions among the team members. So, ability to discuss very well is another soft skill without which it is difficult to work in private organizations. In the past, only political leaders used to give speeches, but now every work is outsourced even across the countries. It becomes necessary to regularly explain the work done orally to clients. Besides, a team leader always has to speak to his team members and encourage them. So, a person who wants to work in present organizations must have public speaking capabilities. Reporting of work done on a regular basis has become important because of globalization, where reports have to be sent to far off places online across many time zones. Besides, as the projects are costly, record is essential as a proof. So, report writing as a skill is now essential to get a job. Nowadays, all offices use modern machines like computers, scanners, etc. It is impossible to run a modern office without computers and internet facility. For outdoor work, use of mobiles is compulsory. Similarly, there are many machines like faxes, scanners, etc., without which no office can run. Knowledge of use of these machines is also soft skill. In the If the job seekers do not have knowledge of using these machines, it is impossible to get a job. Besides, these machines are changing very fast. So, learning these changes very quickly is in itself a soft skill, as it requires ability to know new developments quickly and adopt them for their organizations to beat the competition or at least to survive. Electronic business is fast growing in India. It depends on telecallers. Telecalling requires the soft skill of a clear and concise speech with politeness and patience. Dear sir, you are aware that you have been our trusted customer for the past 10 years. During this period, we supplied you crores worth of material. During all these period, we have not given you any cause for complaint. Please see your record. We have not written even a single letter of complaint about any aspect of our supplies to you. In the same way, we did not have any problem dealing with you in the past. We know that you were always regular in your payments, but we have observed complete change in your dealings with us, particularly during the last 1 year. In this year, you delayed payments 6 times, and the delays were in the range of 2 months to 4 months, as the amounts due to us are in lakhs. We have suffered huge losses. We have written 7 letters to you to avoid this kind of delayed payments, but your response was very bad. Our legal department and the accountant have advised us to remove your name from the list of our trusted customers. We have no other option but to take this painful decision not to honor your orders from this month onwards. We regret to inform you that we are unable to supply you the goods that you have required in your letter dated 14th August. We also request you not to place your orders with us in future also. Yours faithfully.